What does a viable personal injury case require? Attorney Brad Parker explains that. A viable case requires three things. First, it requires liability on the part of the person who hit you. Secondly, it requires injuries, usually significant injuries. And thirdly, it has to be proven that the injuries were caused by the wreck. Everybody knows that it is illegal to drink and drive, but if a drunk driver runs into you and does not cause any injury to you whatsoever, then you do not have a viable case, because you do not have one of the three elements, the injury part of it. Whereas if a little old grandmother who is just minding her business runs a stop sign and causes severe harm to you, that is a much more viable case than the drunk driver that ran into you where there were no injuries. Likewise, if you already had a bad back and need surgery at the time of the crash, then the element of causation becomes more problematic and may affect the viability of the case. The issue may turn on whether the crash exasperated your bad back or not. Therefore, all three factors have to be present in order to have a viable claim: injury, liability, and causation. The less the contributing factors, the more viable the claim. Contact Attorney Brad Parker in Bedford, Texas for a complimentary strategy session at 817-984-9867 or visit his website at www.parkerlawfirm.com.